Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroAlgo. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of April 2025, our system has identified MicroAlgo as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.84. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 19.43%. This results in an average daily loss of approximately 4.86% since its designation as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 123.35% over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 123.35% and 714.44%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -26.24%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from -100% to 2,366.86% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $195.38. Our latest daily update for MicroAlgo includes the headline, "Is MicroAlgo Inc. stock still a buy after falling 8.86% on Friday?" The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price decreased by 8.86% on the last day, which was Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, dropping from $8.69 to $7.92. This marks a decline for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 7.68%, ranging from a low of $7.68 to a high of $8.27. The price has decreased in 8 out of the last 10 days, and is down by 50.22% over this period. Volume also fell on the last day, alongside the stock, which is generally a positive sign, as trading volume typically follows the price. On that day, the trading volume declined by 2 million shares, with a total of 3 million shares exchanged, for approximately $26.66 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $509.60, while the lowest price was $1.11. Currently, the price stands 98.45%, or $501.68, below the 52-week high, and 99.94%, or $14,292.08, below the all-time high recorded on December 13, 2022, when the price reached $14,300. MicroAlgo Inc. has made significant strides in quantum computing technology, recently announcing the development of the Classical Boosted Quantum Optimization Algorithm, or CBQOA. This innovative algorithm merges classical and quantum computing capabilities, targeting constrained optimization problems and potentially revolutionizing problem-solving across various industries. Additionally, stock price volatility has recently been influenced by WIMI Hologram Cloud's increased stake in MicroAlgo to 67.65%, accompanied by a committed 10-year lockup period for these shares. This development signals a strong belief in MicroAlgo's future potential, which may lead to increased investor confidence and positively impact stock performance in the near term. However, the company also faces challenges, as it plans to issue new shares at 80 cents, a move that could dilute existing share value. The market's response to such offerings typically influences short-term stock prices, depending on investor sentiment and perceived value. In the long term, successful implementation of their cutting-edge technologies could position MicroAlgo as a leader in the quantum computing space, likely enhancing stock valuations as market adoption increases. Overall, while immediate stock movements may reflect current market reactions, the long-term outlook will heavily depend on the effective execution of their innovative solutions and their reception in the market. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. Currently, there are few to no positive technical indicators. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which contributes to a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. If there are upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels around $8.95 and $11.08. A breakthrough above either of these thresholds would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, March 31, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 67.34%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal recorded 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 232 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, indicated 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, also indicated 6 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, observed 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal, noted 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal, recorded 26 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, observed 33 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss from MicroAlgo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $6.78 and $6.36. Without support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk is heightened. A drop below the support at $6.36 could result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock is likely to experience considerable movement throughout the day, exhibiting volatility. And with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 590 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 7.68%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 33.45%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is in fact losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $8.69. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, MicroAlgo faces its first support level at $6.78. Should this support level hold firm, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? MicroAlgo Inc. stock presents several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that the company will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 28th of April, we expect MicroAlgo to open higher by approximately 0.37 of a dollar, starting at $7.96. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at StockInvest.